My name is Gary. I'm 49 years old and I've been with Passion for Fitness approximately 5 years. So at about age 40, 41, I went to see the doctor. I was about 235 pounds, dealing with some issues of high blood pressure, some ulcers. The doctor had recommended for me a hypertensive medication and some medications to help curb some of the problems I was having with my stomach. I had asked the doctor if there was a possibility that instead of treating me with various forms of medication, if it were possible that maybe if I did some diet and exercise that maybe we could change the direction of where this was heading in terms of my health. And he basically said to me, he said, "I'll just write you a prescription." So probably about a week or two afterwards, I went into Passion for Fitness, met with Joe for a consultation. We talked about some of the things that we would need to change in terms of my lifestyle, and he and Joe and the other folks at Passion were able to give me a kind of a roadmap, a plan as to how I was going to conduct myself moving forward in an effort to lose some weight and get healthier. I have had a history of sciatica and some lower back problems and pain. You know, even when I couldn't stand up straight and my back was in bad shape, Joe slowly worked with me to understand what my issues and problems were, and then we were able to pinpoint what needed to change in terms of how I walked or how I stood or what exercises I could do or couldn't do and what muscles needed to be strengthened and given attention to. And after, I think it was a good 4 to 6 months after we started really focusing on that, I don't think I've had a back problem or a flare-up really it's been a couple years. Fast forward a year later, year and a half later, after losing approximately 60 pounds, the doctor had asked me when I walked in the door how my blood pressure medication was and if I was taking it, and how it was affecting me, and I explained to him that I was not taking it anymore. And he was somewhat alarmed by that, indicated to me that that wasn't necessarily the smartest thing for me to do, and I said, well, please take my blood pressure, which he did, and my blood pressure was normal without any medications. And after having that experience, the doctor then asked me what it was that I was doing, and he wanted to know what kind of regimen I was following and how I was changing my lifestyle. And I explained to him if he looked across the street from the hospital, he'd see Passion for Fitness. That was, I think, eye-opening for the physician, because I don't think that every day he has people come in and ask, you know, what they can do other than take a prescription medication to change their lives. I've never had to listen to him again complain about me not taking any medications. As a matter of fact, I don't take any medication. And now I'm approaching 50, and most of the time when people see pictures of what I look like 5 years ago, they can't believe it's the same person. Everything that the folks at Passion have done for me, I can't thank them enough for what they've helped me accomplish. So.